All right, this is the open area project. Finally got the keys put in here, and I got them wired up, and so now my quality of life is totally improved. I have the sim currently set in active pause, which means the plane's kind of like frozen in the air, but all the systems are working and running. Like, for example, if I move the nozzles down, you can see the pointer moving. Okay, so let's just play around with this UFC a little bit. Let's see, let's change our altitude warning. Let's say we want that to be 800, so 800, press enter. Okay, or let's say we want to turn off the altitude warning. There we go, the on off button there. Um, let's see, you know what, I'm gonna move this thing down so that you can see the keys are being pressed here. So actually, let's do this. Let's select targeting, or let's select this waypoints. Edit the waypoints. We're gonna hit the data button here. We're gonna set it to position mode. Okay, and then let's say we want to hit position to get to the north. Okay, so let's say we want north 4-3. I'm just gonna put whatever here. Yeah. Who knows where the heck that is? I'm gonna hit the clear button, erase it. Doesn't matter. All right, so that's working. Take it out of data mode here. Let's say that I happen to be in air to ground mode. Let's say we've got it armed, and let's say I've got my bomb selected, and let's say I want to pick my we want, let's hit the weapon button. You can see that toggles that. So right now it's safe, so we're gonna set the fused instantaneous. Let's go back here. Let's say targets. We're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4. I've already hit these targets, so they're already dead, but yeah, whatever. Let's see. It's interesting. MCOM doesn't do anything when you're kind of in this mode. Anyway, let's see. Oh, and these, of course, work. The radio channels. Huh, that's interesting. It's a little bit slower when I'm in active pause mode. But, so now I can change the frequency. Like if I could just do like 244.0, hit enter. Yeah, so I just changed the radio frequency. Oh my God, that's amazing. Let's say we want channel 14. Waypoint overfly kind of is wonky. I don't know what's going on there. I don't know if that's a DCS thing or if I got something wrong with the button. I'm not sure. IFF doesn't do anything. IFF, actually, that is the one key that's busted. I have to check the solder joint on the back of this thing. Unfortunately, this thing is a bit hard to pull apart. Let's see. Beacon, that works. Let's see. All weather landing. Yeah, so anyway, my keypad is finally fully working. Of course, these knobs work. You can see I'm adjusting the volume there. The HUD brightness works. Of course, the HUD brightness doesn't change on these displays because these are OLED displays and they kind of have a fixed brightness. So when I rebuild the UFC at the correct scale, this is about 20% bigger than it's supposed to be in real life. I will have to change the displays. I can't fit these 3 OLED displays here or these OLED displays, so I'm going to change displays. I'm thinking that I'm going to be using an LCD in here. I probably will be able to change the brightness on the LCD here. So this knob will actually be able to change that brightness. But anyway, that's the future. The push functions work here. So actually this one's not wired up. This one here, the solder joints broke off of this rotary encoder, so that's another thing I've got to fix. So got to fix the IFF button, which really doesn't do anything in the sim anyway. And I got to fix this thing.